बोल रहे हैं
सर, लोकसभा से बोल रहा हूँ, राज्यसभा का सदस्य हूँ जी।
उन्हें बोल रहा है।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. This is your first day in your second term as a deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha. My compliments and best wishes. So I first of all would like to convey that even before the COVID, the aviation sector was in turbulence, and I believe the government's policy on the non-policy framework has actually accentuated the very process, and the turbulence is even in the clear sky when there is no wind, no cloud. So, second important thing I wish to say that I would ask Honorable Minister, sir, that when you take decisions with respect to privatization, etc., do you speak to stakeholders? Do you even consider it worth it? I think recent times there was a massive cut in the salary and perks of Air India staff. Unreasonable ones, sir. And I mean, when you do that, you must look at the families and how they shall be able to cope with. Many of them have been shown the exit door, sir. I think when we look at the bidding process in several realms, it tells you just read the bidding process, the prerequisite, and you know the beneficiary. More often than not, the beneficiary doesn't change. That great gentleman remains the same. That's my second argument. Quid pro quo appears to be an integral, innate part of the policy framework. Making more bodies, and which this act doesn't convey a coherent sense, a coherent vision about how do you wish to see, sir. So finally, I agree with my colleague Wilson ji about 4D in the bill. That I think more often than not, I have repeated it. This government talks about cooperative federalism, and it appears more in the realm of rhetoric. There is a gap of miles between rhetoric and reality. Then my colleague from Bihar, RCP Singh ji, said about the airports. I would urge Honorable Minister, sir, large number of people in Bihar from different areas, they want Purnia to be immediately made so that the flights could take off from there. Bhagalpur, Darbhanga, we have heard certain commitment of a particular month. I hope that comes true. Patna airport is almost like a tabletop airport. It needs, I think either it should be shifted or some other measures should be undertaken. And finally, sir, I would just urge Honorable Minister, sir, that right from day one, this government, what I said yesterday during the process of congratulating you, sir, it goes for lowest hanging fruit. And lowest hanging fruit may be dangerous many a time, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Professor Jha.